of our fight and has come to Hattiesburg multiple times to stand with us, including our strike last month. President Cummings, thank you for standing with us again today.
Yeah!
Thank you so much. Can we fight?
We win!
Can we fight?
We win!
Can we fight?
We win!
All right, I want to thank all of you who are out here today to support the over 10,000 Maximus workers at these different call centers around the country. For over the past year, they've had about 6 walkouts. Brave call center workers. Give them a round of applause. And listen, we've had a number of strikes this year around the country. And so the question is, what do the call center workers want? They want the same thing that those strikers want on the strike line. Affordable health care. Affordable health care. Just think about this. If these workers have to get a second job just to pay for their own health care when others are calling in for Medicaid and the Affordable Care Act, shame on you. 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 They should not have to get a second job to pay for their health care. And what about wages? What about wages? You just heard the speaker say billions of dollars, and they can't get affordable wages? Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you! And yes, I have tried my damn best. Now I'm a deacon, I'm gonna try not to cuss. But I'm pissed off. I am. I've tried my best to talk to everyone I can to help these workers. Since I was elected president in July, at our convention, I was told about the Maximus workers. Of course, I'd heard about it being a part of the E-board. But I've really become engaged because these workers really need help. It's absolutely ridiculous, the working conditions in this call center. Now the president says that we have funding to make sure we have good jobs and good pay. Well, Mr. President, what about the workers at this call center that the federal government is paying for? What about them? If you can go to the picket lines for the United Auto Workers, what about being out here doing what you can to make sure those workers in those call centers have affordable health care, that have good wages, that have good benefits? That's what we need. We need them to get out here. We need the government. We need the leaders. And listen, again, I've talked to everybody. I've talked to Leader Schumer. I talked to Tom Perez last night. I've talked to the Vice President twice. As a matter of fact, while I was taking a picture with her last night, I told her again, we've got Maximus call center workers that still need to be given fair wages and good health care. And all I get is, we're talking about it. We're talking about it. We're talking about it. We're going to do everything we can. But guess what? We're tired of them talking about it. We're done. We're sick and tired of talking. We want some action from these workers. And we want it now. We want it now. Shame on them. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. So just know this. We got a number of speakers here. Our Secretary of Treasury is here, Amina Salam Wave. Amina, thank you for being here. We have our former President, Larry Cohen, Emeritus, is here. Larry, where are you? Yeah, his dog. What's your dog's name? Haley's even been barking over there because Haley's pissed off about things that are going on over here. We have Ro Connor that is here. Congressman Benny Thompson.